Okay, like we gotta think of something else though. We cannot go down there because there's enemies. Hmm. Okay, let's also think of a plan, guys, to see how we're gonna get to the castle. Hmm. Hmm. Ooh, Ryu. Okay, Yoshi, do you got any ideas? Yoshi. Hmm. I don't, hmm. Let me also think about another plan. Hmm. Iggy. Like, it looks like you're about to hatch a plan at least. Hmm. You know what, the Morton? I think I have an idea. Let's also use this bomb and also trying to distract them. All right. All right. Yeah. What the? Yoshi, eat it. Down. Okay, and then also spit it out. Pew! 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 Yes! We finally did it! Wait, wait, where's Luigi? Here I am. Alright, Luigi? Yoshi? Wait, like, is it like a good idea to do that? Sure, Mario. Like we could definitely use this pipe launcher. You know what though? I think that might be a good idea. All right, Luigi. Are you sure you're gonna make it? Sure, Mario. I will definitely make it. Are you sure about this, Luigi? Don't worry, Mario. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Okay. Did it work? Not quite though. Not absolutely fine. God fucking damn it. Mario, give me a mushroom. Oh crap. Ah, thank goodness though. Huh? Oh crap. Are you okay, Luigi? Maybe the launcher wasn't a good idea at all. Yoshi. I can definitely agree with that, but let's not use the launcher again. Agreed.